facility.
So crew ties go on. Did you put crew ties
Yeah,
in?
they in there.
Yeah, they in there.
Bacon bits, everything. Yes, indeed. Carrots and everything. These everything. Tomato, croissants, carrots, lettuce. Forgot my black pepper though.
You need black pepper? I usually use my Greek seasoning.
The one thing
You also make happy hour mix and have it dehydrated, so when you they can cook it, you have a roll of it.
Yeah, I learned how to cook by Julia Child, Rachel Ray, and some Asian cooks. How to make ravioli from scratch.
Totally needs also pretty good too.
It's easy to make the dough.
my favorite is spicy. I like spicy seasoning.
I like cabbage.
I like yeah.
That's the best all-purpose Greek seasoning.
I like
To use
everything
on
that's
salad, potatoes.
I like anything somebody else cooking.
Me too. Because it gives every food the extra kick. I've been using it for the last 3 years.
Beef, jalapeno pepper.
I like spice pepper.
So
I love the places when they
I like spicy food, but I don't like hot.
See, jalapenos will go with it when you do this right here.
So what y'all think of the salad?
It was delicious.
Very good. That right there?
Very well put
Uh-oh, hold on, wait a minute.
Empty plate. I'm ready to say thirds and fourths. No, I'm just joking.
Pretty good.
Did you like it?
Okay, hold on. Say it right here, Say it right here.
Next time you make a salad, can you add some meat here? Shredded chicken, maybe something like that.
Okay,
It tastes good though, it tastes good.
okay.
So the bacon wasn't good enough.
The bacon wasn't getting in the pot?
Wasn't enough bacon, man.
Or meat, right?
Yeah. I thought about that, but then we would have been here all day trying to cook some chicken.
Yes, indeed.
What I do is I get packaged already pre-cooked.
Yeah.
Little slices.
That I tried that. It tastes funny to me. It tastes like it got water in it or something.
There's some of them that's pretty good. And the other ones, it says you eat it. Why you just make another?
Oh, no.
I got some more for you.
Say my house.
Like, the one I had, it was like
I
grilled
didn't
chicken
know I ate
in
them.
like a little package.
These salad was good. It was real good. I ain't had a salad like that. It's the bacon, turkey bacon. It's actually really good.
Something you make at home?
Not really well. I would from being here today.
Personally, me, I wanted ranch.
Cheese, 2 times. Those were good. I ain't never had it.
In your bag.
About 2 Mercies, but I've been here since 16. I told you about 16. Been here since. I moved to the new business. And, I really like this place. It helped a lot with me. Dealing with all the problems and stuff like that. Still here.
Sounds great. Well, we glad to have places like Tender Mercies around, and they benefit the community, help the community, and putting people in power.
Another thing, just like how you pay the show, this is a presentation. They give us access to see things